Hello guys, in this episode we will learn how to pass custom object between two activities using serializable interface. Create a new Android Studio project. Make another activity. Right click on package name, new activity, then select empty activity. Name it as second activity and then click finish. Here define a key value pair, public static, final, string, extra data equal to extra data. Now create a new model class. Right click on package name, new Java class, name it as employee and then click enter. Implements this class with serializable interface. Define our variables. First one is name, second one is email, and third one is age. Now create a constructor for this class. Right click, generate, and then select constructor. Select all these variables and then click on OK. Now create getter and setter methods for all these variables. Right click, generate, select getter and setter, select all these variables and then click OK. Now go to activity main.xml, drag a button in our activity layout and define constant for this button. Change the text of the button to send data. Now go to main activity.java, define our button, declare an array list of employee class and name it as employees. Now initialize our button, find view by id r.id.button name. Now make a method add employee to add the data to our employee class. Public void add employee. Initialize our array list object. Now add the data to our array list. Now add another employee information. Now set the click listener for this button. Button.set on click listener, new on click listener. Then call the method add employee. Create a new intent object containing second activity as target activity. Intent I equal to new intent. First one is context name and second one is our target activity class, second activity dot class. Now add the data in the form of key to the intent object I dot put extra, it takes two parameter. First one is key value pair, which is defined in our second activity, and second one is our employees list. Now start the activity with the intent, start activity and then pass intent object I. Now go to second activity main.xml, go to design portion. Here drag 6 text views in our activity layout. Now define constant for these text views. Now set the margin to these text views. Now change the text of the first text view to first employee. And change the fourth text view text to second employee. Now change the ID of each text views. Now go to second activity.java, define our text views. Define our array list of employee class, name it as employee. Now initialize our text views. Then get the data from the main activity.xml. Employees equal to get intent dot get serializable extra. Then pass our key value pair extra data, typecast it to array list. Now set the first employee information, name one dot set text, employee dot get name, email one dot set text, employees dot get index 0 dot get email, age one dot set text, employees dot get index 0 dot get age, Since it is an integer, so we have to convert it to string. Now set the second employee information. So our coding is finished. Now we can test our application. When we click on the send data, data is passed from first activity to second activity. I hope you will understand this concept. Please subscribe this channel for getting more Android tutorial updates.